Hello everyone and welcome to our another tutorial. This one is about how to mute accounts on LinkedIn and manage your feed, which is definitely number one when it comes to the management of LinkedIn. I'm Marie, the founder and CEO of Marie Olivia Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brands. So let's take a look on how to manage your feed and mute accounts on LinkedIn. There are many times when you don't want to see every connections post on your feed. That's why LinkedIn has the option to mute accounts and better manage your feed. A lot of people end up with random content on their LinkedIn feed, and that's because they try to make tons of connections, but the info shared by those people is not always relevant to them. So definitely you want to manage irrelevant or repetitive content. So if you see all the time the same thing again and again from multiple people, then you want to a bit clean up your feed. And also, you might want to reduce distractions in your feed. So, you want to focus, for example, on your clients, on your job hunting. You just want to have like minded people in your network who are sharing the similar kind of styles. You don't want to have the feed full of the sales pitching, etc. So, how to mute and unmute accounts on LinkedIn. So, find a post from a person in your feed. So, for example, I will use this one. And here we will click on the three dots, and then you can choose not interested or also unfollow. So depending on what you want to do here. Then you will mute this post without removing them as a connection. So you will no longer actually see this person in your feed. When you want to mute messages from someone, it might be sometimes very annoying if you get some sales in your messaging and they are just like continuing to spam you with the sales about their company. I think that it happens to everyone from us. Then you will find the person you want to mute in your chat, for example here, and then you will click on the three dots and then click on mute. This is very easy way to do so, how you can mute a person in your chat and they will no longer actually disturb you. If you want to mute a notification from a person, then goes to the person's profile, and here we will click on the following button, and if you are, of course, if you follow them and get notifications about updates. So here you can also set yes, so if you want to mute the notifications, then you go here to the bell on the person's profile, and you can choose between if you want to do all, most relevant, or off. And this is how you can also mute the notifications from a person. You can also use the block feature for a problematic user. So if you click on more and here you click on report or block, then you can block any problematic users. And if you encounter also others, you can then also notify them. This is also very important because if a person is more than 10 times reported or blocked, then they might have an issue with the LinkedIn. Sometimes there will be LinkedIn connections that just share random, maybe even inappropriate or harmful content. If that's the case, you can report the content directly to LinkedIn, so as we showed, and the process is simple. When you want to mute any content piece, you also have the option to report it, because Microsoft takes these reports very seriously and they will analyze piece of reported content or profile. However, make sure please that you report content which is indeed harmful or inappropriate, and don't just spam reports left and right. So this would be inappropriate rather from you. So if you really liked these tips and tricks on LinkedIn, then don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn profile Marie Zametsnikova, or if you want to know more about the branding tips, you can go to my website marieolivier.com, and you can here go to the section of articles where you can actually get more On daily basis there are new articles which are supported with these beautiful tutorials. So I will see you there. Bye.